Are you searching for the best airfare offer for your next journey? Then you must create a trip.com account first. With a trip.com account, you can search flights, compare prices, check special offers, manage your bookings, and receive important travel updates easily. Many people start looking for flights without creating an account. However, having an account makes the booking process faster, safer, and more convenient. So, in this video, I will show you how to create a trip.com account step by step. Before we begin, I'll also explain a few important things you should know. Let's get started. To create your trip.com account, you can click the link in my video description. It will take you directly to the trip.com website. Once the website opens, click sign in at the top of the page. Now you can see many options to register. You can create your account using your email address, Google account, Apple account, or other available login options. For beginners, I recommend using your email address or mobile number because it is easy to receive verification codes and booking confirmations. But for this video, I am going to continue with my Google account. Now you can see your trip.com profile like this. If you want to use trip.com on your mobile phone, you can download the app from here. Click the app download option at the top of the page. Trip.com app is available for both Android and iOS users. If you are using an Android phone, download it from Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, download it from Apple App Store. Now I am going to continue with the website version. If you prefer, you can also use the trip.com mobile app. The process is almost the same on both website and app. Here you can see the currency option. At the moment, it is showing USD. You can change this currency depending on your preference, such as USD, GBP, or any other available currency. Next, you can see the customer support option. If you need help with your booking, payment, cancellation, refund, or any travel issue, you can use this section. After that, you can see My Bookings. This is a very important section. After you book a flight, hotel, or tour, your booking details will appear here. I will explain this section in detail after we create a booking. Next, you can see the trip.com rewards or coin section. When you use trip.com, sometimes you may receive points or rewards depending on the booking. Finally, you can see your profile icon. From here, you can check your account details, settings, and other profile options. These are the main account options you should know before starting a booking. Now we are inside the trip.com account profile section. Here, you can see your account security details, such as linked email, phone number, password, managed devices, and sign-in history. The linked email is important because trip.com will send booking confirmations, payment updates, and travel notifications to this email. Next, you can link your phone number. This is very important because it helps to protect your account and makes it easier to receive verification codes or important booking updates. If there is any issue with your booking, payment, cancellation, or refund, having a correct email and phone number will help trip.com contact you easily. You can also set a password for extra account protection. Below that, you can see the member profile section. Here, you can add your legal name and date of birth. Always make sure these details match your passport or travel document. This is important because when you book flights, the passenger details must be correct. Now everything is ready. After creating your trip.com account, you can use this website for many travel-related services. You can search and book flights, hotels, attractions, tours, airport transfers, car rentals, and many other travel services using your mobile phone or laptop. It is very easy and convenient for travelers. In my upcoming videos, I will explain each section deeply, step by step. I will also share useful tips and secret methods to find the best travel deals online. If this video was helpful, please subscribe for more travel tips and flight booking guides. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.